Whatever I'm telling you, maybe hakuna mtu have that courage to tell you. But I'm there to sacrifice and tell you. Me, I'm protected. When I'm seeing these people here, I know I'm protected. The first problem we have, the chairman T-Board, Akona brokerage company. He had been fighting factories to make sure that we sell our teas at the lowest. Those people are finishing us. Na tunaisha. Number two, another thing, me, I'm highlighting those things to malise leo. If we die, tumeongea ukweli. Yes. Number two, private factories. If you go to the east, they have only one private factory. One. You come to west, T-Board opened 42 private factories. Out of these 42, we have Mara. Sheria iko sawa. Before you are being given a license, you must have at least 1,000 acres of land na yote imepandwa chai. Mara iko Narok County. Narok County hawapandi chai. Chai inapandwa Kisii, mtu anatoa chai Kisii, anapeleka Mara. At the end of the day, anauza chai vivi, pesa ingine na T-Board, kina wanakula. We are dying. These factories, the 42 factories, were licensed to process only specialty teas. Specialty teas ni orthodox teas. But if you go to all those factories, not a single factory is processing what they were licensed to do. They are processing the Black CTC. Now they are competing with Nyansiongo. But there, mkulima anapeleka chai analipa 15 shillings. Here, we pay 24 plus bonuses. Lakini tena mkulima atarudi, anakupiga uchanipa bonus. Tukienda kwa soko, the same people who had been fighting the surprise, na wameshinda wametoa. Ile chai takataka aliyokota na sisi, tunauza at the same market. We will not make it. We'll die. Sasa nyinyi mmekuja leo, mtusaidie. Number 3, shida tuko nayo number 3 ni how the auction is being conducted. Idea hiyo, tukienda market, we go to part at the same level ground, tupigane the same level ground. Wakulima huwa wanakatwa pesa yao 1 shilling and 50 cents per kg every month per kilo. Mukiangalia, we were given a subsidy of 1.9 billion almost 2 years ago. Madam, naiki tunataka muende mfuatilie. I told you people that it's better be sacrificed once, lakini hao wengine wako hapo nyuma si wapone forever. Fertilizer suspense, kuna mkulima alikuwa amekatwa up to 30,000 depending na ile chai uko nayo. But hiyo pesa we can't locate where it is. We can't trace it. Mkulima alirudi tena akakatwa the old 2,500 uniform. When asking where this fertilizer suspense is, nobody is ready to explain. Now, it can come from you people. I asked it. I'm a board member. We see a board of 12 people. I was told to keep quiet. But I have said it here just because hapa si ni kwetu. Hapa ni nyumbani. I'm not in Nairobi. I'll say it here. What these people are requesting, they want their fertilizer suspense. These people are losing a lot of money. Our farmers are losing a lot of money. But we have people who are seated in Nairobi owning billions, and we have poor farmers here. Wakulima tukiendelea vile tuko, hatutatoka penye tuko. Mkulima wa chai, hakuna mkulima anafaa kutembea barefooted. Hakuna mkulima anafaa kutembea bila gari. I'm telling you. But I'm telling you people, your money is being squandered up there. Sasa wakitusaidia, pesa ya mkulima irudi hapa chini. Wakulima, I know mutaendelea vizuri. Thank you very much. Na Mungu awasaidie. These people are giving, hii maneno ya T-Board pia inachukua 1 shilling. Tunawaomba tafadhali. Ile 1 shilling T-Board inachukua from every kg from this farmer murudishie mkulima. Isiende T-board. Hiyo ni maombi wameomba. Muandike hapa mseme, instead of us to contribute to the government, there is no any other parastatal in a contribute to the government. It's only KTDA which is going to start contributing to the government. Na si today, when Nyasiongo was selling its teas, they printed teas at $1. The cost of production per kg chai, black, the black CTC teas, kilo moja, we spend $1 and 87 shillings. Kutengeneza kilo moja. Tukisema hivyo, we have considered transport, operational costs, everything. Hatutaweka pesa ya kulipa mkulima. But you can see our teas, since the move of the sub price, our teas are selling at 87 cents of a dollar. Less than the cost of production. Wakulima tutatoa pesa wapi sasa ya kuwapea? When we are selling less than the cost of production, we are not even meeting the cost. Yani atufiki level ya ile pesa tulitumia kutengeneza hiyo chai. Atufiki. Ya mwisho, these factories have got loans. Hakuna factory haina loan. We took loans almost 90% to finance second payment. Ile chai iko Mombasa, ilifanywa valuation. And the worst thing, madam, all the factories, all from west of Rift, all, mtu asikudanganya, apart from Mumul. Mumul paid around 50, as you had indicated, lakini nilipigana. Hata ukienda head office, mimi niliwaambia kila mtu apate haki yake. They had 46, lakini walilipa 50 something. KTDA valued the teas very highly because chai was valued at $2.30. The same teas, after the removal of the sub price, now it is selling 87 cents of a dollar. The highest is selling at $1. You can just imagine what we have lost. When we are doing our calculations now, we are at negative. And the same KTDA are the ones who did the valuations. Sasa wametoa the reserve price. Hii pesa ingine tutusalipa mkulima tutatoa wapi? Ndio tulipe mkulima. Marketing is killing us. Mr. Osero, you are my MP, na nyinyi vile mko hapa. Now, nitaacha chai yangu ninunue ya huyu. Ama I normally buy mine first, you come second. Hizo ndio shida tuko nazo. Wakulima wakiongeza hizo mtusaidie. But kabisa, what I'm insisting, whoever is fighting the surprise, it is due to conflict of interest. Mukituondolea this conflict of interest. Me, I've said it here. I know I'm going to be victimized tomorrow. T-board is here. I've said the chairman has got Union Tea Brokers in your chairman, T-board. And I've said it here. I know it's going to summon me tomorrow. My people be here, be there to protect me. I need your protection more than ever. That's why people are fighting the reserve price. Today, I can tell you it's the conflict of interest. This conflict of interest is coming from T-board of Kenya and the government itself. We have people from the government who have opened the brokerage companies. These people are finishing us. I'd been telling you, I called Mr. Morgan there. Nikamwambia, please, can we have a meeting? Let me tell you, for the very first time, KTDA, this year, we have factories which are not going to pay bonuses. West of Rift. More especially, zone 8 and 9. And zone 12 and zone 11, Benjamin in the afternoon.